Have you ever thought about what happens to your data when it travels across borders and resides in servers you cannot physically see, yet relying on every day for your business operations? In our interconnected world, ensuring personal data is handled responsibly is not just good practice, it is a legal imperative. Today, we are diving into the question, what is GDPR for cloud environments? Simply put, GDPR for cloud environments refers to applying the General Data Protection Regulations' strict data privacy and security requirements to data processed and stored within cloud computing infrastructures. It means cloud users, often referred to as data controllers, and cloud providers, who act as data processors, must both uphold specific responsibilities to protect the personal data of European Union residents, regardless of where the data centers are located. The core mechanism behind GDPR is safeguarding fundamental rights to privacy. For cloud operations, this means adhering to 7 key principles: lawfulness, fairness and transparency, purpose limitation, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitation, integrity and confidentiality, and accountability. A crucial aspect is the shared responsibility model inherent in cloud computing. Data controllers, like your organization, determine the how and why of data processing, maintaining ultimate responsibility for compliance. Cloud service providers, or CSPs, process data on your behalf, and they must implement robust technical and organizational measures to protect that data. This includes strong encryption, access controls, and transparent reporting of data breaches. The GDPR is extraterritorial, meaning it applies to any organization, anywhere in the world, that processes the personal data of individuals residing in the European Union. This global reach significantly impacts cloud architecture and data residency considerations, as data could theoretically be stored in any data center globally. So, what does this mean for you when navigating cloud services? Firstly, thoroughly vet your cloud providers. Ensure they offer GDPR-compliant contracts, often called data processing addendums, that clearly outline their security commitments and your rights. Secondly, understand your data. Perform data mapping to identify what personal data you collect, where it is stored in the cloud, and who has access to it. Thirdly, implement strong access controls and encryption for your cloud-based data. Regularly audit your cloud configurations to prevent misconfigurations that could expose data. Finally, establish clear processes for handling data subject requests, such as requests for access or erasure, and develop a robust data breach response plan specifically tailored to your cloud environment. A powerful concept to adopt is privacy by design and privacy by default right from the architectural planning stages of your cloud solutions. This proactive approach means embedding data protection into the very core of your cloud systems and processes, rather than treating it as an afterthought. It involves designing systems that collect only necessary data, process it securely, and delete it when no longer needed, ensuring privacy is the default setting for all services. Understanding and actively implementing GDPR principles in your cloud environments goes beyond just avoiding hefty fines. It builds trust with your customers and partners, enhances your organization's reputation, and demonstrates a commitment to ethical data stewardship. By proactively managing your GDPR obligations in the cloud, you are not just ticking compliance boxes. You are securing your data assets and fostering a more resilient and trustworthy digital presence.